Coordinate geometry, very most kind of basic aspect, point on a line. So let's see. P belong to R, that means any number, is a constant. It is a number. The point P and 5, so that's your coordinate, that is your value of X, that's your value of Y, lies on the line, and here we have a simple line. And therefore we have to find the value of P. Well, one thing that we have to remember that in coordinate geometry, any function, so we have the X and Y value, and then I have some form of a line. Every point on this line will have a different coordinates, isn't it? And therefore, that X and Y for each of those points is represented by this X and Y. That's the reason why they are letters, not numbers, because each point will have different X and Y. So if I am looking at this equation, it has two letters, X and Y. I am looking for X, which is P, and therefore they give me the Y, which is 5. So all I'm doing, I'm replacing X with P and Y with 5. And I have a very simple equation. I need to find the value of P. Therefore, what do? I move my numbers to the other side of the equation, therefore changing a sign. Why did that disappear? Plus 2 multiplied by 5. And then I want the value of P, not P multiplied by 3. To eliminate multiplication, we divide, and we divide both sides of the equation. We put that in the calculator. We press equal, and we have that is -6. Now, any other situation you're going to have in the exam, it doesn't matter where that point is, whether it is on a straight line, on a circle, on a curve, any of them. Always remember a point that belongs to the line, any kind of a line, that X and Y is the X and Y in the equation of that particular line. Whether it is straight, whether it is curve, whether it's circle, any of them, the principle will be the same.